In this tutorial, we're going to be covering how to calculate inverses and determinants with the SymPy package. So first we can do from SymPy or SymPy, import matrix. Now here we have two predefined matrices. This one's a 3 by 3. This one is not a 3 by 3. So we have a square matrix and a non-square matrix. I'll show why we have both in a second. So we can start off to compute the inverse by just doing a dot inv, and it simply returns us an inverse here. Now we can come down here and do the same thing with determinants. Simply a dot det, parentheses, and we can run that. Now we can see our answer here is 9. However, if we were to come and try and pass through b to both of these, which we'll do here, you can see it returns us an error as a matrix must be a square to invert, which would make sense. And we can also do the same here and see that we have a non-square matrix error. Now we can come here and just switch these both back to A. And we have our answers again. So that's how you can quickly solve determinants and inverses with Python.